Alright, today I had a pretty straightforward repair. Just replacing the tail lamp on this 2023 Tahoe. The only issue it was having was there's a cosmetic blemish on the lens. So, I thought I'd put together this video to show the procedures I go through performing this repair. So, tail lamp replacement used to be a really straightforward job. Same with headlamps. Modern vehicles have become a lot more complicated as far as the repair procedure goes. You actually have the front and rear fascias covering up the lenses, so in order to remove the tail lamp, you first have to remove this rear fascia. If you're performing this repair yourself, it may seem a little intimidating to remove the fascia, but honestly, it's not a hard job. You got a couple Torx bit screws in the wheel wells on each side, a couple screws right there, and the lift gate open, and then just a couple bolts underneath. After that, this thing basically just pops on. You pull the panels off on the edges, release the retainers along the opening of the lift gate. Helps to have extra hand. And you have one connector right here. I didn't get a good shot of it, but once you release this one connector, that thing's off. Now that the fascia is off, you can actually start replacing the tail lamp. So the tail lamp on this vehicle just has this one main connector. It was packed full of dirt, as you can see the back of this vehicle is. You get that connector disconnected. Got about 4 more Torx bits. This one was kind of difficult to get to. And then it's just got some retainers kind of holding it to the body you can release. One of them stayed stuck to the lamp, so make sure you put that back. Alright, now we can start installing the new one. So line up your retainers, make sure it's seated well. Get one bolt started so it doesn't fall out while you get the other one started. Make sure you plug your connector in. Finish reinstalling all the screws for the lamp itself. Those are all T15 Torx bits. And lastly, make sure you test it before you put the fascia back on, because the last thing you want is to get this job completed, think you're done, go to back out and realize the turn signal's not working or the brake light's not working, and you have to do this whole thing over again. So the installation procedure is straightforward as well. Those body side pieces just push back together. Reinstall all your bolts you took out. Don't forget to plug up the connector for the fascia. It kind of sucks. We've gone this route as far as making the tail lamps almost entirely LEDs. You know, back in the day, if you had a lamp go out, you just get a bulb and replace it. Maybe cost you $10 for the bulb on the high end. A little bit of labor, and you're ready to go. I hate to know how much that tail lamp was for this vehicle, but on the other hand, they do seem to be much more reliable than incandescent bulbs are. Once you're through wrapping up installing the last couple of screws in the wheel wells, all that's left is these two cosmetic covers. Once you get those seated correctly, that's it.